Two Bahia Principe employees die from separate crashes near hotel. Father and son found dead in St. Catherine. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The employee of the Grand Bahia Principe Hotel in Runaway Bay, St. Anne, who was killed in a hit and run in the vicinity of the hotel on Monday morning, has been identified. He is 40-year-old bartender Franz Johnson of Farm Heights, Montego Bay, St. James. Reports are that the incident happened about 8:20 a.m. Reports are that Johnson was walking along the side of the road towards the hotel when he was hit by a gray Toyota Allion. He was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. Police in St. Catherine are probing a double murder after the body of a father and his son were found in a cane field in Ty Dixon, Lowidas Vale on Monday afternoon. The deceased have been identified as 59-year-old tractor driver Michael Slew and his son Michael Slew Jr., both from Union District in Lowidas Vale. Reports are that on Sunday, the senior Slew employed a tractor driver to plow sections of family-owned land. The tractor driver returned on Monday and did not see the senior Slew. After a lengthy wait, he began to walk the property in search of them. This was when he stumbled on the lifeless bodies of the father and son in the mid-afternoon. The senior Slew was dressed in blue overalls and black shoes and was laying face down. His son's body was seen laying about 40 feet away with what happened to be gunshot wounds to his back. He was dressed in a green shirt, gray shorts, and brown and white slippers. More details to come pending further investigations.